In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export Quantower Order History. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Quantower like you usually would. Then from here, it's showing something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go down to where it says positions down here. And you can also see the working orders, trades, and then down here you will see order history. Now you'll be able to see all of the order history that you have ever done in the last today, yesterday, last 7 days, this month, last month, or a custom feed. Right, then from here, as you can see here, if you right click on it, there will be no exporting data option right here. But to do that, you'll simply need to go up here to the order history, and then from here you'll need to click on these 3 lines up here. And then from here you'll be able to export data. From here you'll be able to select all the columns that you find necessary, and then you can export file and save them onto your PC. And as you can see, export to file complete. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.